What's up, YouTube? So I got some good news. I just made $500 today before the weekend even started. Now, let me get into how I made it. Make sure you grab a pencil and a paper so that you can take some notes and follow my lead on this one, because I think you can make $500 this weekend too. If not, maybe next weekend. I got this bright idea yesterday. After the video that I posted yesterday, I kind of tried to let you guys know of different avenues to take and different businesses to talk to so you can make some money. I totally forgot about car dealerships. So I got this bright idea and I got on Google and I just typed in car dealerships near me in my area. Now, I mean, obviously I live here, so I know about some of the dealerships already in the area, but I just wanted to make sure. So I did a Google search and then I just got a list of 10 of them. I just wanted to make a small list, make it nice and manageable. So I made the first phone call. The person that you want to call is the marketing manager or the marketing coordinator. So whoever the person is that's in charge of doing marketing and advertising, that's who you want to contact. Now, plain and simple, all I asked her was, would you guys be interested in a partnership where I can make personalized keychains with your logo on it? She said, yeah, absolutely. She'd be interested in hearing about it. We set up an appointment. I drove to the dealership. I showed her my sample. I had some keychains that I made for a Facebook group that I was doing some targeting on. The keychain was a walnut hardwood and it had a leather strap on it with a button, and then had a brushed nickel ring on it to attach to keys. It was a very high quality keychain. I sold it for $15. So anyways, with this one, I showed it to her and it was I was kind of wondering, like, man, I hope she doesn't get kind of iffy about this one, because it was a funny keychain. It said MILF on it, so MILF, but what it meant was man, I love freedom. So of course with that, the man, I love freedom, it's a specific group of person and people that you do the ad targeting to. So anyways, I had one left over because I wanted to keep it for myself because I liked it so much. I never used it. I just sat it on a tabletop. Anyways, long story short, I brought that keychain as a sample to show her, and she was all for it. She said, yeah, she loves the way it looks, very high quality. So then she asked me how much. I told her, I typically sell these for $15, but I'll sell them to your dealership for $5 a piece if you want to buy them in bulk, if you want to buy more than 100 pieces at a time. So she said she thinks she can work that. She thinks that will work for them, but she has to double check some things. You know, they always say that. I didn't get an answer right away. I had to go home. To my surprise, she said she would call me before the day's over. So I think that kind of gave me a sign that this was probably going to be a go. And I don't know, maybe she just needed an okay from her manager or general manager or something like that. But anyways, she called me back and then she said, hey, this is going to work. We'll do $5 a piece. We're only going to order 100 of them. I'm like, great. That's great news for me, because it's only cost me like 75 cents to make. So anyways, look, we're both business owners. We know how this works. Shortly after that, she said she would email me the design that she wants on it. And all it was is the name of the dealership and the year it was established. Very simple. So what I'm going to do is engrave the name of the dealership, the year the dealership was established on each of those keychains. And then that's it. When I get those finished, I'll definitely have to just show you this keychain, show you how it's done, or maybe even I'll get into my creating program, my design space, and then I'll design it for you and just show you what it looks like. So here's one thing here. You can get a whole bag of these key rings. These are the cheap key rings, same ones that the dealerships use. You can put one of these on it as a placeholder, because all in all, they need one of these. But if they want a fancy one, they can buy it themselves. But this one works. This one will last. You can get this whole bag of them for $10. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it at your local dealership. You can get it at Walmart, I believe. So anyways, I just want to hop on here really quick and let you know that you can do that. So this is what you do. Do you have a keychain that has already been made? Do you have one? Your answer is going to be yes or no. If it's yes, you're going to choose that keychain, unless you want to do a different one. If the answer is no, you're going to design one from scratch, or you're going to go to Etsy.com and you're going to order a SVG file for a keychain. You're going to type in Keychain SVG, search. and you're gonna look through all those, find the designs that you like, pick the best looking one that you want to do. You're gonna design one, you're gonna print it out, and then put the ring on it and get it all situated and get it looking good. That's step 1 and 2 and 3. Step 4, you're gonna go to Google, type in the dealerships in your area. You're gonna decide which ones you want to call. So then once you've decided which ones you wanna call, you're gonna call. When you call, ask for the marketing manager. All right, so there's gonna be a few different titles: marketing manager, marketing coordinator, marketing director, something with marketing in it. If your dealership isn't big enough to have a marketing manager, then you're gonna ask for a general manager or the sales manager. Now, once you ask for that manager, once you ask for the key person, you're gonna tell that person, hey, this is what I do. Now look, here's a key. This is a key to sales. And I just wanna help you out with this sales piece. You want them to receive the feeling that you are a confident person and you're competent and you've done this before and you've had success with it before. So you want them to feel like this is what you do. So when you call this person, you get them on the phone, you say, hey, I do these personalized keychains. I'm doing them for a few dealerships in your area. So immediately they're thinking, oh, my competitors are doing this personalized things, whatever. You can go into that and explain that to them, or you can ask them, hey, do you guys already have some sort of personalized keychain that you're putting all your car's keys on? They'll either say yes or no. And then you'll ask them, I just wanted to know if you were interested in this. This is what I do, blah, 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 whatever it is. They're gonna say yes or no. If they say yes, then they're gonna ask for a sample to see what it looks like. They're gonna ask for the price, and then they may ask for order quantity to see order quantity and then how much you can make, how many you can make at a time. So then you'll pretty much just go from there. You set up a meeting, and then you meet with that person. You decide on an agreement, you know, and this is not going to be like a split type thing. You're just going to make them. They're going to pay you. Those dealerships make a ton of money. They're going to pay you all of it up front, just like I did today. They're going to pay you all of it up front. You're going to use that money to go and buy the products. You're going to make everything, and then you're going to put it together, and then you're going to go give it to the dealership, and then you're going to ride off into the sunset and go to the next one. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm going to put the link down in the description. It's called my master plan calendar. That calendar is going to give you all the holidays that I sell on throughout the year. So there's no guessing. You don't only have to worry about October, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. It's going to give you 30 plus holidays that you can sell on. And then also in the future, look for the update because I'm going to give you a product list to go with that calendar. So again, thanks for watching. Appreciate you being here. I hope you make $500 this weekend. And if you do, report back to the community and put it down below and let us know that you did it. Bye.